Question third, find the values of small a and b such that the function fz is equal to x square plus a times y square minus 2xy in first bracket plus I times in second bracket bx square minus y square plus 2xy is analytic. Also find function f dash z. In this question, consider two questions. First part of the question is find the value of a and b, while function fz is an analytic function, means function fz satisfies to CR equations. And in second part, find the differentiation of function fz, where function fz is given. So consider first part. First part, given function fz is equal to x square plus ay square minus 2xy plus I times bx square minus y square plus 2xy. Our aim is that in this question find the value of a and b, while function fz is analytic function. Therefore, first putting the value of fz by Argand plane theory is equal to u plus iv in left hand side, and right hand side is equal to x square plus a y square minus 2xy plus I times b x square minus y square plus 2xy. In this equation, comparing real and imaginary parts, after then the value of real part u is equal to x square plus a y square minus 2xy is represented by first equation, and small v is equal to bx square minus y square plus 2xy is represented by second equation. So first equation x square plus ay square minus 2xy, and second equation means the value of imaginary part v is equal to bx square minus y square plus 2xy. According by question, function fz is an analytic function. Therefore, our aim is that proved that real part u and imaginary part v satisfied to CR equation. For this, taking partially differentiation of equations first and second with respect to small x. So del u by del x is equal to, putting the value of u from the equation first, b x square plus a y square minus 2xy is equal to, where is applied in some partial form. So x square with respect to x is equal to 2x plus a y square with respect to x, a and y both are constant, so differentiation of this is equal to 0, and minus 2xy, y is constant, so minus 2y times del u by del x is equal to 1, so only 2x is equal to minus 2y is equal to 2 taken common outside from this is equal to 2 times x minus y is represented by equation third, and del v by del x, putting the value of v from the equation second is equal to del by del x, v is equal to bx square minus y square bx square minus y square plus 2xy. Taking partially differentiation of this is equal to, with respect to x, so bx square is equal to 2x, and y square is constant, so is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 2xy, 2y is constant and y differentiation with respect to y x is equal to 1, so it's 2y x minus 0 plus 2y x differentiation with respect to x is equal to 1, so is equal to 2bx plus 2y is represented by equation 4. In the equation 4, the value of del v by del x is equal to 2bx plus 2y, and taking partially differentiation of equations first and second with respect to y, it is implies that del u by del y is equal to, putting the value of u is equal to x square plus a y square, x square plus a y square, x square plus a y square minus 2xy minus 2xy. So after differentiation to this with respect to y, x is constant, so differentiation of x square is equal to 0 plus differentiation of ay square is equal to 2 times ay minus 2 times ay minus differentiation of 2xy with respect to y is equal to minus 2x is equal to 2ay minus 2x is equation 5th, and del v by del y, putting the value of v and taking differentiation with respect to y, v is equal to bx square minus y square, bx square minus y square plus 2xy plus 2xy is equal to, with respect to y, so this is equal to 0 and minus 2y and differentiation of 2xy with respect to y is equal to 2x plus 2x is equal to 2 taken outside, so x minus y is represented by equation 6. From equations 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th also given function fz is an analytic function, fz is an analytic function, therefore is must satisfy to the CR equations. According by CR equation, first equation of CR is equal to del u by del x is equal to del v by del y, is represent to del u by del x from equation 3rd is equal to 2 times x minus y, 2 times x minus y, and del v by del y from equation 5th is equal to del v by del x, del v by del y from equation 6 is equal to 2 times x minus y, is represented by equation 8th, 7th, and from equation and del u by del y is equal to minus time del v by del x, is implies that putting the value of del u by del y from equation del u by del y from equation 5th is equal to 2 times ay minus 2x is equal to minus time the value of del v by del x from equation 4th is equal to 2 times bx plus 2y is represented by equation 8th. From equation 8th, consider the value of small a and b. from equation X, 2ay minus 2x is equal to 2bx plus 2y. In this equation, comparing the coefficient of x and y variable both sides, then the comparing coefficient of x and y, it is implies that here y coefficient is equal to 2y and y coefficient is equal to 2. So 2y is equal to 2, 2y is equal to 2. It is implies that a is equal to 1, and right, minus 2y. So is equal to minus 2 implies that a is equal to minus 1. Coefficient of y is equal to 2a. So 2a is equal to coefficient of y is equal to minus 2. So minus 2, 2 and 2 cancel to each other. A is equal to minus 1. And coefficient of x is equal to minus 2 is equal to 2b. It implies that b is equal to minus 1. So here the value of a is equal to minus 1, and the value of b is also is equal to minus 1. It's clear. The values of a and b. Here the complete solution of the first part of question third. The value of a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 1. Now second part. In the second part, find the value of fz, means taking differentiation of fz. Second part, given that function fz is equal to x square plus a y square minus 2xy plus I times bx square minus by square plus 2xy. We are putting the value of a and b in this equation. So putting a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 1. So it is implied that fz is equal to x square minus y square minus 2xy plus I times minus x square minus y square plus 2xy, and putting fz is equal to u plus iv. Therefore u plus iv is equal to x square minus y square minus 2xy plus I times minus x square minus y square plus 2xy plus 2xy. Here represent to u is equal to x square minus y square minus 2xy is first equation, and v is equal to minus x square minus y square plus 2xy is second equation. In equation first and second, the value of real part u and value of imaginary part v is confirmed. Now find to del u by del x from equation first. So del u by del x, putting the value of u is equal to x square minus y square plus 2 times xy. After differentiating partially with respect to x is equal to 2x and y is equal to 0. So minus 0 plus 2y is equal to 2 times x plus y, and the value of del v by del x from equation second, putting the value of v from equation second, minus x square minus y square plus 2xy is equal to, taking partially differentiation, so minus 2x is equal to minus 2x minus 2x minus 0 plus 2y is equal to, taking 2 outside, so minus x plus y. Now the differentiation of function fz means f dash z, then f dash z is equal to del u by del x plus I times del v by del x. Putting these values of del u by del x from above two equations is equal to, this equation is equal to 2 times x plus y plus I times minus x means y minus x is complete solution of second part of the question. Third means in the second part find the value of f dash z, that is 2 times x plus y plus I times y minus x. So question third is complete. Now consider next question. In this question, question 4, find the point where the CR equations are satisfied for the function fz is equal to x y square plus I times x square y. This is first part of the question, and second part of the question is, does f dash z exist, means check that function, differentiation of function exist or not exist. So in the solution, taking first part, first given function fz is equal to, given function fz is equal to x y square plus I times x square y. In the first part of the question, find the point where function fz is analytic, means satisfies CR equation. So for this purpose, putting the value of fz means it is implies that fz is equal to x y square plus I times x square y. Putting the value of fz implies to u plus iv is equal to x y square plus I times x square y, x y square plus I times x square y, because fz is equal to u plus iv. In this equation is represented by equation first. In the equation first, comparing real and imaginary part. First here, given function fz is equal to x y square plus I times x square y. So fz is equal to x y square plus I times x square y. But in argand plane, fz is represented by u plus iv. Therefore fz replaced by u plus iv. So u plus iv is equal to x y square plus I times x square y is equation first. In the equation first, comparing real and imaginary parts, both sides, then real part u is equal to x y square is equation second, and imaginary part small v is equal to x square y is represented by equation third. So in equation second, the value of real part u is equal to x y square real part, and in equation third, the value of small v means imaginary part v is equal to x square y. Now our aim that find the point where function fz is analytic. For this, first calculate that the value of del u by del x, del v by del x, del u by del y, and del v by del y. Means taking partially differentiation of equations second and third with respect to small x. So del u by del x is equal to del by del x, putting the value of u, x, y square is equal to x y square in x y square. Y square is constant because we are taking partially differentiation with respect to x. So taking y square outside from the differentiation, write del x by del x is equal to y square into 1 is equal to y square. It implies that del u by del x is equal to y square is represented by equation 4. In equation 4, the value of del u by del x is equal to y square, and del v by del x is equal to del v by del x. The value of v is equal to x y square. So putting here x square y by del x is equal to y times 2x. It is implies that del v by del x is equal to 2xy is equation 5th. So in equation 4, the value of del u by del x is equal to y square, and equation 5th represented that the value of del v by del x is equal to 2xy. Now taking partially differentiation of equations first and second with respect to y. In this case, taking partially differentiation of equations first and second, equations second and third, equation second and third. Partially differentiation of equation second and third with respect to y, therefore del u by del x, it implies that del u by del y is equal to, putting the value of y is equal to x y square, u is equal to x y square. So with respect to y is equal to 2xy, it is implies that del u by del y is equal to 2 times xy, represented by equation 6, and del v by del y from equation 3rd, putting the value of v is equal to x square y. So x square y with respect to y after differentiation is equal to x square is constant also. It is implied that del v by del y is equal to x square, is represented by equation 7. So in equation 4th and 5th, the value of del u by del x and the value of del v by del x, and equation 6, 7, the value of del u by del y and v by del y is clear. So but given that CR equation are satisfied, means function fz satisfied to the CR equation. So here used to this given conditions according by CR equations, given that function fz is satisfied to CR equation, According by CR equation, del u by del x is equal to del v by del y. It is implies that the value of del u by del x is in equation 4th, which is equal to y square. So putting y square, and the value of del v by del y is in equation 7th, which is equal to x square. So putting here x square is represented by equation 8th. And with help of the second equation of CR, del u by del y is equal to minus del v by del x. Putting the values of del u by del y and del v by del x from equations 6th and 5th. So del v by del x, del u by del y is equal to 2xy. 2xy is equal to minus time the value of del v by del x from equation 5th is equal to 2 times xy, right, minus 2 times xy. It is implies that 4xy is equal to 0. In 4xy is equal to 0 must be implies that x barabar 0 or y is equal to 0. Means required point is z is equal to x plus iy. Putting the value of x and y, x is equal to 0 and y also is equal to 0. So 0 plus I times 0 means 0. So only point for which function fz is analytic function means satisfies CR equation is z is equal to 0. This is complete solution of the first part of the question 4. Now consider next second part. In the second part of the given question 4, in question 4, second part is find the value of f dash z if exists. So given function fz is equal to x y square plus I times x square y. It is implies that fz is equal to u plus iv is equal to x y square plus I times x square y. F dash z means differentiation of function fz. According by formula, differentiation of fz means f dash z is equal to del u by del x plus I times del v by del x. The value of u is equal to x y square and the value of v imaginary part is equal to x square y. So del u x y square by del x plus I times del x square y by del x is equal to, here is a partially differentiation of function x y square and partially differentiation of x square y with respect to x. So y has taken constant, taken outside from the differentiation because it is constant, and write del x by del x plus I times, in the second part y is constant, so out from the differentiation and write del x square by del x. According by rules of differentiation, del x by del x is equal to 1 and del x square del x is equal to 2x. So putting these values of differentiation, y square 1 plus I times y into 2x. After simplification, write as f dash z is equal to y square plus I times 2xy. According by question, so that function f dash z exists or not exist at that point means point where function fz is analytic means satisfies CR equation. So already proved that in the first part function fz analytic at z is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Therefore, putting these values of x and y in f dash z, then f dash z is equal to y square plus I times into 2 into 0 into 0, because x is equal to 0 and y is also is equal to 0. So is equal to 0. It is implies that f dash z is equal to 0, which is exist. Therefore, function f dash z must be exist at the analytic point means z is equal to 0, which is cleared in the second part of the question. So complete solution is of question 4 in first and second two parts. That is okay. And now consider next question.